This is the installation of the Holiday Inn H4 TV ledge. The first step in installing the H4 TV ledge is to measure and mark the bracket placement. The process for measuring this out is up to the installer, but the brackets will need to be level and placed at the proper distance apart. Once measured, each bracket needs to be attached to the wall. After attaching brackets, the TV ledge can be placed on top and pushed back against the wall. The sides should be measured to make sure there is an equal overhang on both sides of the ledge. Then, each bracket is attached to the ledge. Finally, both removable panels are attached, pushed together, and measured to ensure they are centered beneath the ledge. Installation is now complete.